Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to install Pixelmon so you can play with us. So first of all, you're going to need Minecraft Forge, which all the links to every download will be down in the description box below. First of all, you're going to need to go to this website, which is the Forge download. And you're going to need to come down here to the 1.6.4 downloads and come down to the last one. Click installer and then follow the process, and you should just go through the add file links and you will be good to go with the Forge. And then next but not least is the Pixelmon download for 2.5.7. You can use either of the Mediafire or the 4 shared links, and then you can just go through that process and download them as well. So then, once they're both downloaded, you can just come on the desktop. Here I have all 3 things needed. First of all, you're going to need to open up Minecraft. Wait for it to open. Let's see here. So then once we have to actually launch Minecraft, and you won't have the Forge profile yet. The Forge profile will come after I show you the next crucial step, but first you have to open it up with your regular Minecraft account, and once it gets to the main menu, you can go ahead and close it out. Wait for it to load. Okay, so we can go ahead and close it out now. Once it goes to the main menu. Okay, so now it should be done here. That's just for safety precautions in case anything happens to your Minecraft. You'll have a backup save. So now you have to double click Forge, and if it doesn't pop up like this, right click and go to open with and then Java, and then click install client and then click OK, and then it'll go through all of this stuff, and once that finishes you just hit OK and then open up Minecraft again. And then wait for it to load. Wait for it to load the launcher up, and now you should have the Forge profile. So we'll have to play, and now you should have Forge. So once you have Forge, you hit play, and then once it opens up Minecraft, we can go ahead and close it out again. So once we're done with this step, this is probably the easiest step, is actually installing Pixelmon. So once it opens up here, give it a second. We just need to close right out again once it opens up. Okay, so here we go. So now that's open. We just go ahead and close out. Now you're going to want to type in this bottom left corner %app_data%, and then you should come up with a file that says roaming. And now once you find this, you scroll down until you see your .minecraft folder, and you should have a thing that says mods. You open that up, and then I already have it done, but you just have to get your Pixelmon file, just drag it into the folder, and you're done. So once you have this done, just X out, open up Minecraft again, and once it opens up, you should be able to play Pixelmon with us and your friends. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll just make sure it works so you guys can see. And this mod, this like forge system, what I just did, you do exactly what I did, and then once I went to Pokemon, you just drag in any mod that can run with forge. It's the same for every other mod. So once it opens up, give it a second. Okay, so now Minecraft 1.6.4 is open. Now we wait for the give it a second. Sorry guys, my computer's kind of slow right now. My internet's been down for a while, so I don't know. I'm getting a new computer for Christmas anyways. So once it opens up, now we can play Pixelmon. So go on to a server, go on to Ghost Wolves, I guess, so advertisement, and you should be able to play Pixelmon. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget, wait, that was a mess up. Yeah, so here's my team. Yeah, and don't forget, stay clutch. Peace.